Hello, everyone. My name is Lauren Shays. A little bit about me. I felt very strongly about deforestation for many years. It became an important topic to me when I watched, at a young age, the destruction and the industrialization of the small forest in my cousin's backyard. I remember watching as they slowly crushed our tiny slice of heaven by production, industry, and capitalism. Animals pushed from their homes and into urban backyards. While this issue is small in comparison to most, it opens our segment into the large problem the Amazon has with deforestation at the moment. Every day, more than 200,000 acres of rainforest are burned to make way for more cattle farming, the overproduction of beef and soy making its impact. Between 70 and 75% of all soy becomes livestock feed. That includes cows, which means beef, which shows how closely correlated these products are. Even after the signing of the 2014 New York Declaration on Forests, which was supposed to lower deforestation by 2020 and eliminate it completely by 2030, the problem has only accelerated by an astounding 40% and rising. We need to hold big companies responsible for their environmental policies and keep chanting, less beef, more grains. The tropical rainforest produces an estimated 40% of the world's oxygen, and it only takes up an estimated 6% of the land, and that percentage is dwindling. Please take the time to go to change.org and sign the petition to stop Amazon rainforest deforestation. Our voices need to be heard, starting with yours.